If you work in HVAC or automotive repair, you know that lugging a heavy recovery machine up a ladder or across a shop floor is the worst part of the job. I've tested 5 of the most popular recovery units on the market to see which ones are actually worth the investment. I looked at speed, weight, and how easy they are to maintain so you don't have to waste your money on junk. Product number 1, VEVOR Portable 34 HP. Refrigerant Recovery Machine. First up, I grabbed the VEVOR Portable Machine. At just under 30 pounds, it felt pretty manageable when I lifted it out of the box. The handle is solid and it didn't feel like it would snap off during transport. When I hooked it up, that 3.4 horsepower motor really chewed through the job, hitting that max rate of nearly 5 pounds per minute on liquid. My favorite part, though, has to be the self-cleaning function. You just twist the knob to purge when you're done, and it clears out the leftovers automatically. That saves so much time compared to tearing things down manually to avoid cross-contamination. It also has a dual filtration system that kept the recovered refrigerant surprisingly clean. If you need a reliable workhorse that cleans itself and handles everything from R134A to R410A, this is a solid pick. Product number 2, VEVOHOME Red Portable Refrigerant Recovery Machine. Next, I tested the VEVOHOME Red unit. This one feels a bit more rugged in the hand. The non-slip handle is comfortable, and I noticed the feet are waterproof, which is a nice touch if you're working on a damp roof or a messy shop floor. Like the VEVOR, it runs a 3.4 HP oil-less compressor, so it's low maintenance and doesn't require you to constantly check oil levels. I hooked it up to a system with high-pressure R410A, and it handled the load without complaining. The auto shutoff at 558 psi kicked in exactly when it was supposed to, which gives you peace of mind that you won't blow a seal if you get distracted. It's equipped with a dual-stage filter that separates moisture and metal shavings effectively. It's a great option if your gear tends to get banged around a lot in the truck. Product number 3, VEVOHOME Blue Portable Refrigerant Recovery Machine. If red isn't your style, I also looked at the VEVOHOME Blue model. Honestly, physically and mechanically, it felt identical to the red version, which is a good thing because it means the quality is consistent. You get that same powerful fan and condenser layout that keeps the unit cool during long pulls. I really focused on the inlet port filter screen with this one during my testing. It did a fantastic job capturing solid particulates and dust before the refrigerant hit the compressor. That's huge for extending the life of the machine. It works with a massive list of refrigerants, including R12 and R509. The pressure gauge on the front is easy to read even in low light. If you want that VEVOHOME durability and oil-less convenience but just prefer the blue aesthetic for your van setup, this pulls just as hard as the red one. Product number 4, Robinair RG3 Portable Refrigerant Recovery Machine. Now, if your back is killing you, you need to look at the Robinair RG3. When I picked this up, I was shocked. It's only 18 pounds. That is significantly lighter than the other units I tested. It has a much smaller footprint, taking up about 40% less space, so it fits easily in crowded service vans. Now it only has a 1.3 horsepower motor, so it isn't as fast as the 3.4 HP units, but the trade-off is absolutely worth it if you're climbing ladders all day. It still handles both liquid and vapor recovery for all common refrigerants, including R410A. The cross-flow design kept it cool enough, though it took a little longer to finish the job. This is definitely the verdict for the residential tech who values extreme portability over raw speed. Product number 5, AirTech AC Dual Automatic Machine. Finally, I checked out the AirTech AC Dual. This is a totally different beast compared to the portable carry units I just mentioned. This is a fully automatic station specifically designed for professional automotive shops. It handles both the standard R134A and the newer HFO 1234 IF, which is becoming standard in newer vehicles. I loved that it handles the recovery and recharge process automatically. You set it up, and you can walk away to do other work while it does its thing. It removes the guesswork out of switching between gas types. If you run a professional auto garage and see a lot of newer vehicles coming in, this is the heavy-duty investment you make to handle high volume without the manual hassle. So whether you need the Featherlight Robinair for roof work or the heavy-duty AirTech for your auto shop, there's a tool here for you. I've dropped links to all 5 of these in the description below so you can check the current pricing. If this helped you out, hit that like button and I'll catch you in the next one.